Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, high-protein, super healthy, super quick and easy, super spicy, super crunchy roasted snack made with tofu but tastes so good, super addictive, but don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, shred a package of firm tofu. Next, add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And mix it well. Now pour it onto a baking sheet. And spread it evenly. Then roast it at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Let the steam escape a few times. Take it out of the oven and let it cool. And enjoy a super crunchy, super healthy roasted snack. Thanks for watching.